Permits for composting toilet septic systems for a tiny house often hinge on clear documentation and a robust maintenance plan. When preparing an application, start by selecting a certified composting toilet model with documented pathogen reduction performance and keep the manufacturer maintenance manual ready to submit. Draft a maintenance plan that details frequency of solids removal, ventilation checks, moisture monitoring, and odor control methods, and include who is responsible and contact information so authorities can see accountability. If local code requires offsite composting, arrange a dedicated composting area with signage and transfer procedures, and include transportation and storage plans that prevent contamination. Provide a table of expected occupant load and daily usage estimates, and keep a simple occupancy log to show real-world usage aligns with your design assumptions. Describe pathogen reduction protocols such as time at temperature parameters, carbon to nitrogen ratios, and safe curing periods using plain language so reviewers can compare them to public health thresholds. Offer to perform periodic compost testing and document results as part of the permit package to demonstrate ongoing compliance. Common mistakes include submitting vague maintenance statements that do not specify frequencies or responsible parties, which is fixed by providing a step-by-step schedule with names or roles and contact details. Another frequent issue is failing to show how compost will be managed off-site when required, which is fixed by mapping a dedicated transfer and storage plan and signed agreement from the receiving site. A third is underestimating occupancy, which leads to undersized systems and can be corrected by using conservative per-person waste generation estimates and keeping an occupancy log that you can present to inspectors. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors experienced with composting toilet and septic approvals, and we connect contractors with real homeowners seeking these installations. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share permit tips, model experiences, and maintenance strategies to make the approval process smoother for everyone.